I would definitely recommend Geobear to friends and family, absolutely. It's given me peace of mind for the property over the next couple of decades at least. And the speed and the professionalism of the team, without a doubt, I would recommend highly. Hi, my name's Andy White. I'm based in Prescott in Merseyside, and that's just in the northwest of the UK. So the problem that we had in the property when I first purchased it was we noticed a lot of the levels on the floorboards and in the door frames were all uneven. On the external of the property, it seemed fine, no damage whatsoever, no cracking, didn't register on the survey. It was only until more recently, in the past couple of years, that we noticed there being a bit of a drop in the corner of the property. And when we opened one of the cupboards, we noticed there was a crack line running about 2 meters from the corner right to the window area. So we needed to look at what the options were available, and that's when I was able to come across Geobear. I considered different options available, including traditional underpinning, which would mean 1 meter sections at a time, filling in with concrete blocks. Very messy, very obtrusive, very expensive. Not something that I wanted to consider over a longer term. I wanted something that was quite simple and that would rectify the problem and give me peace of mind. I noticed Geobear had a good reputation based on the different ratings and the different reviews that I'd read and the research that I'd come across, and the fact that it was local. They had a team that could pop out quite easily. I thought I'd give them a go and see how they would react. It started off with a conversation with regional manager, and that gave me the confidence and the faith then to move forwards and start the work that was needed. The treatment and the works was completed rapidly. The treatment on the day, the team dealt with it within a couple of hours. Really rapid response, really professional advice. Got to talk to the team on the ground that was completing the work, who guided me through what was happening next, educated me and gave me that peace of mind again. The prep work that I needed to do was very straightforward. It was just removing some of the outer brick paving down the area that needed to be treated and channel out some areas to identify utility, so do a bit of utility tracing, which I was able to do myself. And then internally just remove kind of a hatch within the floorboards, create a meter kind of area for the engineers and the team to look down and to check the levels on a regular basis to make sure that the right amount of the treatment was being applied.